My first encounter with éclairs was grade 11 consumer studies. I was one of the lucky few whose éclairs did not flop, and I'm forever thankful for that day. Hi, it's Mutiba Macheta, Eat Out Woolworths award-winning pastry chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really simple and delicious chocolate éclairs. I love a good choux pastry because it's super simple and super easy to make, doesn't take a lot of ingredients. It can be like a showstopper if you really want it to be. This is something that can intimidate people to make, but once you make it, you'll impress all your guests. Learning the tips and tricks about a choux is you need to know when your flour is being cooked out. So I like to slap it against the pan. If it comes together and starts forming a ball, that's when you know it's ready to be transferred into your stand mixer. With piping, if you don't have lots of nozzles, cut your piping bag at an angle so that you can get different sort of shape when you're piping it. Ganache is very similar to choux pastry where people think it's difficult. You just have equal quantities of cream to chocolate, depending on how rich you want it to be. But the trick again is to not overmix and to not allow your cream to boil. I think a lot of us chefs love making a good choux. You can make it savory, you can make it sweet, you can fill it with so many fillings, and you can decorate it whichever way. So my go-to, I think, is definitely a choux. What I love about these is the éclair itself is super light and fluffy, but the chocolate just brings this like really rich element, and the chuckles are just crunchy and just super delicious. Follow Woolworths Taste for more of my recipes and my baking series.